Let me show you how to remove or unlink the TP-Link Tapo Smart Plug from the SmartThings app. Now I'm using the Tapo P100 model, but these instructions will also apply to any smart plug from Tapo. So simply go into the Samsung SmartThings app, and in the app you should be able to see your Tapo Smart Plug. Now all you have to do is long press like that, and you should be able to see the remove option right here, or you can simply tap on the name of your smart plug and then tap on the three dots at the top and select remove device. So tap on remove device, then confirm you want to remove, and it's also going to unlink from your account or your TP-Link ID from SmartThings. So tap on remove to confirm, and that particular device is now going to be removed from Samsung SmartThings. That's basically how to do it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Don't forget to check out even more videos regarding this Tapo Smart Plug. There are many things you can do with this. If you have any questions, leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Until the next video, take care and God bless.